Hello and welcome to this Envato Tuts Plus quick tip. I'm Adi Purdila, and in today's video you'll learn why it's worth using WordPress for creating your website. So let's begin. If you don't know, WordPress is a CMS or content management system, and it originally started out as a blogging platform, but since then it has grown to be a platform on which you're able to create any kind of website. And there are two ways you can work with WordPress. Either self-hosted by downloading files from wordpress.org and installing them yourself, or buying a hosted plan on wordpress.com. Either one uses the exact same platform, so it makes no difference for this tutorial. Now, let's see why WordPress might be the right choice for you if you want to build a website. First of all, WordPress is a free product. You do have to pay if you're hosting on WordPress.com, but usually people opt for the self-hosted version, and because of that, you're not actually paying for the software. Secondly, there is a huge community behind WordPress, and I'm not just talking about developers. There are also users that are always happy to give a helping hand to anyone who needs it. Plus, because WordPress is so popular, there are tons of online resources available for free, so anyone can learn how to use the software. Now, probably the main reason why you should use WordPress is the infinite customizability. You can change the look of your website with themes, and these are basically skins that are applied to your content. And there are thousands available, both free and paid. ThemeForest, which is one of the biggest marketplaces for digital goods, has over 12,000 WordPress themes for sale. So no matter what your website is about, it's impossible not to find a suitable theme. Plugins are also great ways to customize your website. This list is also enormous, and you can find plugins for pretty much any additional functionality you want to add. Here's another reason for using WordPress: the SEO tools built into the platform. WordPress automatically alerts Google each time you update your website, and this can help your website move up the ranks in Google search results. Also, it's fast, and this is something search engines take into consideration when ranking. It's also very easy to change metadata like title, description, and URLs for your posts and pages. And you also have tons of plugins that will help with SEO. WordPress is a very secure platform, so you can rest assured that your website files are safe as long as you follow some basic security guidelines. Of course, nothing is 100% safe on the web, but it's certainly much safer to use WordPress instead of static files for your website. If you want all the details about this, check out this free white paper provided by the WordPress team. Links are down below. Finally, one last reason I want to tell you about is the user experience. WordPress is very user-friendly, even for beginners. It has an admin interface that's super easy to use and very intuitive. And the best part, you don't need any coding skills to get started with WordPress. Now, if you're just getting started and you want to learn how to use this platform, I recommend A Beginner's Guide to Using WordPress by yours truly. It's a free course, and you can find it on Tuts Plus and YouTube. And with that said, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to follow us on social media and stay tuned for more content like this. I'm Adi Purdila, and until next time, take care.